If you have been paying attention to the Web3 gaming sector recently, you already know that the most significant wealth generation happens during the genesis phase of an ecosystem. The absolute earliest adopters are the ones who capture the highest upside. Right now, a massive foundational block is being laid in the Web3 space. The Frost Kingdom Genesis Box Launchpad has officially gone live on the OneWave platform, and it brings with it a staggering 100,000 cross-token reward pool. Today, in this complete masterclass, I am going to break down exactly what the Frost Kingdom is, why the Genesis Box is the ultimate digital asset to hold, and most importantly, the step-by-step mathematical strategy you need to use to dominate the leaderboard and claim your share of that 100,000 cross pool. Grab a notepad, because we are diving deep. Before we talk about points and leaderboards, you need to understand the asset. What exactly is a Genesis Box? In traditional gaming, you buy a game and you play it. In Web3, ecosystems are built layer by layer, and the Genesis collection is layer 0. Holding a Genesis Box in the Frost Kingdom is not just about owning a cool digital collectible. It acts as a master key. Historically across Web3, Genesis assets dictate your tier in the ecosystem. They are designed to grant holders beta access to new game loops, premium multipliers on future token airdrops, and heavy governance voting rights. By participating in this OneWave Launchpad, you aren't just farming a quick token payout. You are positioning yourself at the absolute ground floor of a massive, expanding universe. The metadata attached to these boxes is built to compound your benefits over months and years. That is why the competition for this drop is going to be fierce. Let's look at the mechanics of the campaign itself. OneWave does not rely on random lotteries or gas-heavy minting wars. They use a strict, merit-based leaderboard system. This is a massive advantage for dedicated users. The entire 100,000 cross-token pool is distributed based on your final ranking when the campaign concludes. Your rank is determined by the total number of points you accumulate. It is a completely transparent, zero-luck distribution model. If you put in the work, you get paid. The dashboard tracks everything: your social engagements, your on-chain interactions, and your community-building efforts. Every single task you complete on the Wave Cross-Token IO portal feeds directly into your overall score, constantly pushing you up the ranks against thousands of other participants. So, how do you actually execute? Step 1, you need to navigate to Wave Cross-Token IO and find the Frost Kingdom Genesis Box campaign. Step 2, connect your primary Web3 wallet. Make sure it is a secure wallet that you use for active campaigns. Step 3, bind your social accounts. This is crucial because a large portion of the base points comes from social amplification on platforms like X and Discord. Once your profile is set up, you will see the quest board. Do not just look at the one-time tasks. The secret to the OneWave platform is the daily recurring quests. These are small, simple actions like daily check-ins, engaging with official Frost Kingdom posts, or participating in community polls that refresh every 24 hours. The casuals will do the one-time tasks and leave. The professionals will clear the daily board every single morning. Now, I am going to give you the advanced alpha that will separate you from 90% of the leaderboard. Base points will only get you so far. To breach the top tiers and claim the lion's share of the cross tokens, you have to hunt for hidden multipliers. OneWave campaigns frequently reward deep ecosystem integration. This means you need to get inside the Frost Kingdom Discord. Look for specific roles you can earn by helping new members. Look for partner AMAs that drop secret codes for bonus points. Additionally, the OneWave anti-sybil system is incredibly strict. Do not try to use bots or fake accounts. You will be disqualified. Focus purely on high-quality, consistent, manual engagement. A single hidden multiplier quest can leapfrog you past hundreds of dormant accounts. The window of opportunity for this Genesis phase is rapidly closing. The leaderboard is live. The 100,000 cross pool is locked, and the points are already compounding. Do not wait until the final days to start your grind. Click the link in my bio or go straight to Wave Cross-Token IO right now to set up your profile and lock in your first day of points. If you found this masterclass helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more deep dive Web3 alpha, and drop a comment below letting me know what rank you are aiming for. Let's dominate this campaign.